Xiaomi is set to release the 12X smartphone in the near future. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 processor will power the next smartphone. The Xiaomi 12X is equipped with an Octa-Core processor. The handset sports a large 6.28-inch screen with a Full HD and resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels. The display on the upcoming Xiaomi 12X will be OLED Capacitive Touchscreen. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus provides additional protection. This phone will have an enormous RAM capacity of 8 GB. The smartphone has a 128 GB internal storage capacity. The Xiaomi 12X has a triple camera setup on the rear. There are 50 megapixels in the main camera, 13 megapixels in the secondary camera, and 5 megapixels in the third camera. The selfie camera has a resolution of 32 megapixels and will produce stunning images. The incoming Samsung 12X has an optical fingerprint sensor built into the display. The 12X's battery capacity is 4520 mAh. In addition, Xiaomi's new handset, dubbed the 12X, features quick battery charging.